Well, I came into the business analytics and data analytics field without a lot of experience there. And one thing that I've learned in this program is how my previous career is really a complement to that, and how the skills that I already have as a career professional really are important in terms of my ability to apply what I've been learning in class.
Business analytics, we cover many deep layers of machine learning and different type of analytics.
Something that I hadn't expected was the power in being a UW student and being able to reach out to UW alumni. Especially the Foster School alumni have been really great and responsive and have been really welcome and open to sharing their experiences with current students.
I did lots of SQL, I did lots of Python here, I learned lots of stats, and that's really useful in current industry.
One of the most impactful experiences of the program was the final presentation for our data visualization and storytelling class. Working on a dashboard and working on a data set over the course of several weeks and bringing that whole story together.
The main resource that helped me grow the most is mentorship, because we have amazing mentor. He's an alumni. He really helps with CV, job search, what tricks we need to use, and some insights from industry he works in. That's amazing, and I really appreciate that resource.
I come to this program with a long career history, and I've got a lot of experience. And being around students that have less experience professionally has been really eye-opening for me about how my own skills contribute, and also has been really fun to kind of feed off their energy and excitement, and also gain new skills around some of the emerging tools that are available to students these days.